Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by making the hair a clean canvas. Work on dry, brushed hair so the product grips evenly. Once done, shake the Dream filter bottle for 10 to 15 seconds to mix the pigments. Next, create 4 sections and clip them up to keep control. Take one section down and split into quarter-inch subsections. This gives consistent coverage. Make sure to have a comb and microfiber towel nearby. This speeds the application and prevents stray product on clothing. Now you move into the detailed execution. Apply Dream Filter with a small brush or applicator directly to the mid-lengths and ends where you want the effect. Avoid the scalp. Work in thin layers so the pigment deposits evenly. Once a pass is applied, wait 2 to 4 minutes to assess color payoff. If you need more intensity, make another thin pass rather than a heavy first coat. Once satisfied, gently comb or finger blend the hair to diffuse any harsh lines and create a natural finish. Finish by deciding whether to rinse. A quick cool rinse for 20 to 30 seconds removes excess and softens the look, while leaving it on gives a stronger glaze. Follow product notes. Style gently and use low heat to protect the deposited pigments. Make sure to wait at least 48 hours before heavy washing for longevity. If you see patchy areas, reapply a thin layer only where needed. If things go wrong, a clarifying shampoo will lift most of the pigment. Work in small sections and repeat carefully.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.